What's good YouTube family, it's your girl Safi and I'm back with another video. Guys, today I'm making a homemade pumpkin chicken soup. Alright peeps, so I'm making the soup all gone. What I have so far, I have the pumpkin over here, so I have some corn I'm going to put in it. Some seasoning there. I have a 1 piece of yam, an Irish, and carrot. I'm going to also have some spinach. some corn, some yam, some carrot, and some Irish potato to the soup. See, my soup, whole heap of dumpling. Comment below if you like a lot of flour or a lot of dumpling in your soup. Showing the yam them. Some carrots. Give it a nice little stir. Soup it up just for a stronger color, because the pumpkin that I use, guys, it's not as potent as I want it to be. I know them rich pumpkin there, this one is not so rich, so I'm gonna be using the Maggi soup it up, or you can use the Maggi cock soup, whichever. Maybe I use the cock soup though, or even both. So like I said, guys, for the extra color, I'm gonna use a cup. Now this is optional. So peeps, so we're going at the pot now. Spinach them, corn, a little bit of carrot, a little bit of Irish, and your chicken there. Nice. Comment and let me know if you really enjoy the recipe here. Alright? So don't forget to like the video and just stop watch the video them and not like and not subscribe. Come on now.